Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to solve this 5x5 Rubik's Cube. This is a really complicated cube. So you need to first learn 3x3 or 2x2 or 3x3 and 4x4, and then you can be able to solve this 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So let's begin. To start this Rubik's Cube, first we need to make this 3x3 area of this 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So let's start with the white. First we need to make this bar over here. So first we need to make this. So let's attach the middle points to it like this. These two need to be attached over here to make a bar. Let's try like this. Then we have made a bar. This should be really easy. Then we need to make a bar over here, not on the top. We need to make over here. So this is already bar. This middle piece, that's fine. Here it is. So let's just attach it to it, and it's a bar. We just need to like this, do like this. So this is done. So now we need to make a last bar. So this needs to be joined like this. This is joined. Now we need to put it over here, so we can just make sure that this is like this. Then the first center is done. Now we need to look at another center. The opposite of white is yellow, so let's make a yellow. This is already attached. I need one attached piece. This is attached. Now we need to make a bar over here. So be careful of this. When you go this, make this up, this white breaks down. So we need to do is move it like horizontal. No, on the vertical side. And then we need to just undo that move, and that bar is done. Now we need to make a bar over here, not on the top again. Just make sure like this. It's done. As you can see, a bar is done. Now we need to just do like this. Do a horizontal turn so that white can be turned back. Now we need to make a bar over here, not on the top. So this bar is done. Now when the last bar is done, you will do like this, but this will broke. So for this you need to make this part to be over here. So this part is over here. Then you need to just make sure like this. Then you do YouTube. Then we have done. Two centers are done. Now we need to make these four centers. Now we need to make this center. So this is not easy, but you can try it. First we need to make a bar. Try to make a bar over here. Then we need to make a bar over here, not over here. We need to make a bar. Just insert it like that. This is a bar. Just insert it like that. Then we need to do like this. We need to make this on the top. So first we need to just make one this top. Then we need to make it on the top. This is done. This is on the top. This is like this. Like this. Then middle layer time. Then as you can see, this is done. So you can just really simply turn this to make this center. This center is done. Close. Then we need to make not the opposite center. We need to make the next center. The next center is red. Let's make it like this. Then we need to make it like this. As you can see, we make sure to restore below. Don't to make that crushed or scrambled. I know. So now we need to make this. So this should be pretty easy. There we go. Make sure to recover below. The red is done. Then we need to just make sure to close inside. So we need to make this like the same. Then do YouTube. Then make it. Then these two should be done. Then we need to move into these two. So I will show you two cases which you can trouble, but if you want to just solve it like this, try to make bars into that. So we need to make a, this is a bar, then we need to just horizontally turn up, then we need to make a bar over here, so just turn over here. As you can see, these 2 bars are done. Now we need to make 1 bar over here. It's possible, but we cannot. Then we need to make, how can we make that bar? As you can see, the bar is down, this bar is down, so we need to match over here, then like that. The first case you can get there, these 2 are swapped. So for swapping that, it's a pretty easy pattern or algorithm, as you can say. First, make sure to make it like over here, then make it F turn, then do middle layer turn, make it back up, do it back up, then do it like this, do it like that. The second case you can get is like this. These corners are swapped, so we need to make it like this, then do like this algorithm. I'm telling you again that you need to learn the 3x3 and 4x4 Rubik's Cube. You cannot make this direct Rubik's Cube. So now we need to make these edges correctly. As a 4x4 we need to make these 2 edges correctly. Now we have 3 edges. So as 4x4 we need to make 2 edges like this. Make it really guys, good, you know guys. Then just make sure to flip this algorithm. Flipping algorithm is like this. As you can see, when you make it back, it's just solved. Now we need to make a third piece. We need to find over here, find over side, trade the cube. There we go. This is, so we just need to insert it like R, U, or whatever. Then you can see this is done. So now this is called edge pairing. So this is already edged. Now we need to make its last. There we go, last. Then just insert it like that. Like that. Then this, as you can see, this is flipped, so we need to make a flipping algorithm. Don't worry about the centers, they will be just fine. So now we need to do like that. Oh, this is already paired up, so you can just insert it, make find its piece. There it is. Okay, flip this piece, just match it over here, then insert it. Make all the edges like that. When you finish the edges on the top, then it's time to make the edges on this side. Rotate the cube, then make edges on this side. First, try to make a white edge, let's see. White edges like this. Then we need the center of this white edge. There we have it. Just need to combine it. It's done. Not insert over here. We insert right on the top. Then we need to insert all the 3 corners on the top. When you finished all the edges, then there is no place to make the edges and replace it. Instead, now we're gonna do a flipping algorithm technique. So first find the centers of the your Rubik's Cube of the edge. So I see these 2 are kind of matching. They're not actually matching, but they're matching. So we need to make a center piece we need to find. So first we need to flip it to make it like join them. So first we need to make a flipping way. Then we need to join them. Then we need to insert in our from here to here, so they cannot just scramble. As you can see, this is flipped, and we just make our centers done, and this is already done. So now we need this edge over here, not over here, over here. So how to do that is, as you can see, this is already here. So we just need this edge to go over here underneath this. Then we need to just flip it, restore the centers, and as you can see, this is done. We have this one, it's not solved. This one is already not solved. So first we need to solve this. This is not solving. We need to just flip it, solve it, then flip it, make the centers correct. Then this is, as you can see, this is over here. You just need to make sure that like there, then correct all the centers, and this is already set. So now we need to set this one, so we can just do it like that. There. As you can see, all the centers are solved, but you can get one case I'm showing you. You could get this case where all the edges are solved, but this edge is not solved. This is called a parity. So how to solve the parity? This requires a parity algorithm. So it goes like this. X. As you can see, the edge is flipped it now. So now we need to just solve it like a 3 by 3. First you need to make a cross. As you can see, the cross is done. Now we need to make F12 pairs. So this up, then insert it down there, like that. Insert it. There we go. Now we need to just do it like that. And this is solved like a 3 by 3. As you can see. Now you can see your cube is 100% solved. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your view.